Welcome back, everyone, and happy Friday. We've had almost perfect weather here for most of this week. Things have started to change, though. You might have noticed yesterday it was pretty windy, and today we have even different changes coming through. Lots of moisture moving into Montana all the way from the Pacific Ocean. So we are looking at some pretty rainy conditions here for today and through the weekend. It's kind of going to be sticking around as this nice weather pattern moves out. We're moving into kind of a more stormy weather pattern here for the next week or so. So checking out the radar, you can see lots of rain has moved in overnight. This is the radar just from the last couple of hours, moving pretty quickly out in eastern Montana towards Glendive, now moving out of Glasgow and towards the border with the Dakotas. But near the capital, things have been pretty quiet here. In the Helena Valley itself, it's been pretty quiet. Haven't seen much in terms of rain overnight, but we will mainly be seeing that precipitation in the mountains around the valley, so not necessarily the valley itself. We'll stay a little bit drier than the higher elevations. Up near Great Falls, things have been relatively dry. A little bit of rain moving through a couple of hours ago, but things are not too terribly slippery out there for this morning. Now, for the rest of the day, though, as you're kind of making your weekend plans, we are looking at that rain continuing. So through the rest of this morning, it'll kind of taper off by the afternoon hours, but then you can see this next round of moisture moving in through western Montana, and that will continue overnight tonight into the early morning hours of tomorrow. So if you're an early riser tomorrow, you might be waking up to a little bit of rain in central Montana. It should be a little bit rainy for most of tomorrow morning, but by the afternoon you can see that's quickly moving out, moving south, and it will clear out a little bit earlier in Great Falls. So we'll have a drier day in Great Falls than in the capital for Saturday. So we will get a quick break from the rain Saturday evening into Sunday, but we are looking at another round of rain and some high elevation snow mixed in there as well for Sunday afternoon and through the evening hours into Monday. So we're on this kind of on and off pattern with the rain here. Today, though, temperatures won't be too bad, in the low to mid 60s for the highs this afternoon. So it will be a little bit rainy, but the temperatures won't be too bad once it finally warms up. It does kind of feel a little bit chillier, though, when it's raining, and it just makes the temperatures feel a little chillier out there. For tomorrow, things will be a little cooler as this cold front moves through, but we'll be waking up to some rainy conditions, but that will be tapering off as the day goes on pretty quickly. So if you sleep in tomorrow, you might miss it altogether. Sunday, another round of rain. It's going to start out clear, but then quickly moving in the rain and high elevation snow and a mix of rain and snow. So kind of a wet end to the weekend. Temperatures will be warming up again on Sunday, and heading into Monday, cooling off dramatically there. 48 for the high on Monday in the capital, and then that rain and mix of rain and snow will be continuing on Monday as well. So not the greatest start to the Halloween week there. We're looking at that rain kind of moving in again on Wednesday. As I mentioned, it's this on and off pattern of rain, so a little here, a little there. We will get some sunshine here and there as well, but kind of spooky weather for next Wednesday. It'll be gloomy, I guess. So that's, I guess, mood weather for Halloween.
That's a positive way to look at it.
Yeah.
I like that, Katie. Thank you.